What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We've got a full house at the shop today, so we're going to give you a tour and show you what's in the shop. Over here in the tint bay, we've got a Harley-Davidson F-150. This one is getting the front windows tinted. Is it getting a visor as well? Oh, it's only getting a visor. Fronts are already tinted. We've got a Dodge Ram dually over here getting tint. Marshall and Dean are working on that. And on this side of the world, we have some ceramic coatings going down. So we've got a BMW. This one's done. It's curing, ready to go home. Supra. Got paint protection film on the front end, the whole hood, fenders, front bumper, mirrors, as well as the wear and tear package, the door sills, door cups, door edges, and a ceramic XPEL fusion coating. We've got a Black Ops Ford here. This one got ceramic coated a few years ago and is back for an annual inspection and an interior cleanup. Our good friend Daryl brought in a Dodge Durango RT. This one's getting paint protection on the whole front end. They're just finishing that up now. We did the rear fender flares as well. These get beat up really quickly, especially right on this edge here from the front tires kicking things up. And it's getting a ceramic coating, so that's why the wheels are off, because it's getting a wheels off package also. This vehicle came to us from a body shop. It had paint protection installed before. Evidently something happened, so it needed new film. So we redid the front bumper as well as one of the fenders. It's just curing and getting ready to go home. Khalib is working on, you did that, the God of Thunder. He's working on a ceramic coating on a Subaru STI. We've got a cool car over here in the wash bay. This is a C63S Coupe, and it is a Magno paint color from Mercedes-Benz. So that means it is a satin finish from the factory. We did a video on how important it is to take care of a satin finish because it stains super easily. You can't polish out scratches. So if you haven't seen that video, go find it on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure you do that. But this one's getting a full XPEL Stealth wrap, so it will match the satin finish, but now it will be protected. So anything like that that will happen to the film can self-heal just like any other paint protection film does, or a panel can be removed and replaced without damaging the finish underneath. So Aaron is currently prepping that. We're going to be removing the badges, I believe, on this thing too. So the V8 bi-turbo, we're going to take those off and go underneath them. Same with on the trunk. We always leave that up to the customer if they want to do that, or we can cut around them. Your call. So we tint houses and commercial buildings, if you didn't know that. So it's exciting to get a really big ladder. This is a A-frame. How tall does this thing go, Dean? 22 feet. 22 feet A-frame, 44 feet extended. So we're excited for that. And we don't like to get wet, so we're going to revisit the parking lot later. It's full of many cars. We'll show you them soon. So we're back in the tint bay. The rain has calmed down, but new cars have pulled in. So we've got an Acura. What is this thing? It's new. TLX. Cool color. It's here for window tint all the way around. We've got an F-150 here that's getting tinted as well. So outside we've got a Jeep Wrangler. This one was here for an annual inspection. It is done. Unfortunately, it got rained on, but it's ready to go home. Acura from the dealership. This one was here for window tint. This is a fun project. So we're removing a wrap, a full wrap, from a Volkswagen Beetle that was traded in at one of the local dealers that we work with. You can see it is supposed to be white. It is currently white and pink, but it was wrapped pink, and we're removing all that vinyl so they can sell it. So Nissan Cube is here. We're actually going to be doing, I think, a full vinyl wrap on that. It's for a good friend and customer, and we're waiting to see exactly what he wants to do. This Mazda Miata was previously wrapped with XPEL Ultimate Plus all the way around, and now it's back for a ceramic coating. Doing a Fusion Plus on that. One of our good friends bought another work truck. This one's getting tint all the way around and a visor on the windshield. Here's our work van. It's not usually here. It's usually out tinting houses or buildings, but today it's here. This Volvo is next in line for ceramic. We've got a Hellcat Charger here. This one's for taillight tint. So these have that huge taillight that goes the whole way across the back of the car. There's a Kia Optima. We removed some window tint off of the back. It was failing. I don't know who tinted it originally. Looks like we might even still be in the middle of getting adhesive off of that. Out front, we've got two cars, a 911 Turbo S. I love these things. This got paint protection film and a ceramic coating previously, and it's actually got a new owner, and it's back for an annual inspection. And this C7 Corvette, we always have a Corvette here, usually a Tesla and a C8 too, but no C8s this week, no Teslas this week, but this one is here for an exterior detail. So that's it for what's happening in LATROBE this week. If you are not already a subscriber on our YouTube channel, make sure you go check us out there if you're watching this on Facebook. And give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what your favorite car in the shop is this week, and we will see you next week.